So we are going to look at process instrumentation systems reliability under this training. So we are going to see the various components of process instrumentation and see how we can improve their reliability. So under this training, we are going to see the different components that makes up the process instrumentation and how these various components of this process instrumentation interact together to make sure that our process is operated smoothly and reliably. So those instrumentation components, how we are going to improve the reliability is what we are going to conclude this particular training with. So to assist us in achieving all of these that we have just said, we have broken down this training into a series of topics or sections, okay, that will make us to appreciate what process instrumentation is. So the first that we are going to consider is we are going to introduce ourselves to industrial instrumentation, okay. So we are going to see these various components and also what this component they do in instrumenting our process. So we are going to look at the process variables, and as you well know, these process variables, as we'll see later, they are process parameters that changes with process conditions, okay. So if these variables are not properly controlled, it becomes very difficult for us to control or achieve the desired outcome of our process. So you see that understanding of these variables and what can affect or what could affect these variables is very important for us to ensure the reliability of our process. Then we are going to see process controls, the various type of process controls that we have, the three types of the basic types, three basic types of process control that we have. We are going to look at them briefly, and then we are going to look at some of these components of our process instrumentation. So we are going to look at the final control element, valves. Okay, remember we have discussed process variables and sensors, okay, which are actually a component in the process instrumentation. So the final control element, valves, okay, we are going to look them, and the accessories on valves, the actuators and the positioners. We are also going to look at them, discuss them in details under that section, valve actuators and positioners. And then finally, to ensure the reliability of these various components in the process instrumentation, we need to calibrate them. So what does it mean to calibrate? Okay, and if these components are out of calibration, what does that also mean, and what we need to do in order to return them to calibration of functional status as so desired. So those are the various sections that we are going to cover under this training.